6 out of 10 students are confronted in person or online by a bully daily, and that's up 30% from 2 years ago. Even recently, a school bus driver was confronted verbally and physically by a couple of students that thought it'd be funny to videotape themselves harassing an adult. The saddest thing to hear is a student committing suicide because they felt no one was listening to their cries out for help or feeling like no one even cared. A recent study shows that people that bully others are victims of bullies themselves. How do we stop the cycle and change the culture of bullying? The Magic Motivator Jamal Key's anti-bullying presentations are designed to face the bullying issue and teach 5 proven ways to stop bullying.
I had the opportunity this year of working with Mr. Jamal Keys, Mr. Magic Motivator, and I thought he did a great job when he came in and spoke with the girls. He really inspired them a lot, and I think what touched the girls so much was that he was able to share a success story of a young lady who had actually been involved in